having learned Christ, anything goes in churches. And everything, even deception, has to be understood that that is what's happening. So God said, verse 24, reading from verse 23, Hebrews chapter 10. Let us hold fast the profession of our faith without wavering, for he is faithful that promised. And let us consider one another to provoke unto love and to good works, not forsaking the assembling of ourselves together, as some of you are. But exhorting one another, and so much the more as you see the day of Christ approaching. So many of you out there refusing to be a part of church, like if the body of Christ is never to assemble. If every believer supposed to be a member, then at some point, for a body to exist, it would take members coming together, assembling, for a head, Christ, to descend, to be able to be over it. So God said, you must not forsake the assembling. Some of you gave up because of the foolishness you saw. You were not supposed to faint of doing good works, which is assembling. So you were supposed to follow the example of Father Abraham, who was the father of the faith, who went about looking for a city that had foundation, meaning you were supposed to still go searching for a church.